Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my vlog. In fact, I think it's good afternoon right now. I woke up late. I was really not feeling too good and I'm still feeling the same. I was not in a mood to eat anything, but who cannot be in a mood to eat this? So I made noodles for me and I will see you after this.
Party in prisons.
You're going for no party.
We're going for a nude party in prisons.
The party has two people, you and me.
Yeah.
You strip, I watch.
I think it would be better if you did it. But if you, I don't know what joy you get watching me strip, but I'll do it, no problem.
Where are we, baby? Go and tell them where are we. We are at my favorite place.
That's it. We are
I'm gonna show you all today my favorite spot. But first, we're gonna do Pet Puja. I'm hungry. I was not feeling well the entire day. That's why I just had my breakfast and I did not vlog after that. Because basically, I was sleeping the entire day. I did not do anything. So now it's around quarter to 10 in the night. We came to Kingston. I wanted to go and sit by the riverside and enjoy my place after a very long time. So we are waiting for our order to arrive. We've ordered so much of stuff today.
कब आएगा मेरा खाने का order? Did you see the order? My God.
I used to sleep with open eyes. I used to breathe just to keep us alive. Now all I can see is we're drifting apart. I can't believe how it all turned dark. Bring me the light. 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 Bring me the light.
This is my favorite spot. This is my favorite place to be in. This is Kingston, my favorite place. But I'll show you where I like to sit down. Come with me. So right now I am going to meet Eldon. I had made some poha today in the morning for breakfast. I was actually craving for poha. I was missing home for the past 2 days. I'm missing home, and I just wish like I could tell Mama to make poha, and it was my favorite. There's another friend of mine who usually does poha for me, Swati by name. Swati, if you're watching the vlog, I also miss you. Not because of the poha, but yeah, in general. Mamta as well, I miss. And a few of my other friends as well. I really miss them a lot. It's been a long time now. Usually I used to go home like in every 6 months, but it's now more than a year since I'm not gone home. Anyways, I'm at least grateful that Eldon is around me and he's there with me to make me feel better and be with me. My cousins also live in London, so but yeah, home is home. I miss Papa, my. Let's see when I get to go back home. For now, it's poha for Eldon. Let's see if he likes it.
I used to sleep with open eyes. I used to breathe just to keep us.
Ano nason? Bosala. Nako amge ekla bursa hai nate kala. Bursa laga bosala.
He just came on the vlog and he's like, don't complain that I am late.
Atla to idin gaadi tha.
This is for me. Thank you, brother.
No problem.
Keep us alive. Now all I can see is we're drifting apart. I can't believe how it all turned dark. Bring me the light. 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 Bring me the light.
Yo.
Come to meet. Who did I come to meet?
Hello.
Subscribe to her. Come on, man.
Another
And
subscribe
you know
kare.
what? You know what? Show some love. If you want to be loved, trust, man. Like you gotta learn how to love. I'm saying like love, and we love you back. Don't show no hate. We don't want that. I'm saying, you live, you die, you make sure you live good. I'm saying, if you live bad, get out.
Wait, आवाज ला रहा हो. Subscribe कर, like कर, comment कर. आणि फॉलो कर फॉर मोर व्हिडिओज. त्या एडिटिंगचा काम दिला तर मी चढ मेसेज दिल्या.